Okay, guys, good morning. Let's see what this new market brings us. Right now, we are strictly on the 321 contract. It's the March contract, so we already left the December contract. Okay, so you should be rolling over to the from today, Monday, 14th of December. You already need to be on the other contract. Okay, so we're trying to make a trade here. Let's see if the market can provide us a good opportunity. We're already the Nasdaq. We just took off in the open. So we're gonna wait and see, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video and see what happens. Okay, so Nasdaq is making new highs right now. Here I have the market watch, which is free on NinjaTrader. You can use it to scan for instruments that you really want to check. You don't have to have all those lots of charts open. Okay, so the market is really trying to push higher, but I don't really find a good trading. The market is very slow, and we can see the higher time frame. Let's see. You can see the higher time frame, which is a 60-minute ES candle chart, and as you can see, the ES is trying to push higher. It's really going higher, but I don't know at what level. I don't think it's gonna tank for now. It's not going down, but you never know what the market will do. It can make a pullback, but let's see what will happen during the day. Okay, so for now the market is bullish. Okay, so the market analyzer is saying that the market is way up. The only one is turning around is the crude oil. Okay, so what means is if crude oil is going down, all the other indices are going up. Okay, so we're gonna wait and see, guys. There's nothing to trade right now. I really don't know what to trade right now. I don't see any good moves, any new push or something. I don't see conviction. I can read between the lines. Remember the time and sales. I can read between when you can read between the lines. When you see green, red, green, red, green, red, there's indecision in the market. The market is there just all goes taking 1 cent, and we're not able to do that. We as retail traders, we need to have momentum, and we can catch a push and just grab your money, and that's the whole story about this indicator, the Bidaskmultimarket correlation. It lets you get a small profits. Okay, so that's the main thing. You need to train your eye to check the momentum of the tape. Okay, when you try and understand that, and know when the time and sales is pushing, and you see a correlation dot, and you place a trade, you can catch a good move, and just be done for the day. This is the main point of day trading, guys. The thing is that the people traders try to make too much money and too many lots, and they're not ready for, they haven't trained their eye really. It's a process, and it takes time, and you need to be involved really in day trading, so that way the system works. But as you know, it's a business of many participants. It's a herd business, so it's very difficult to just say that everything is gonna be easy. So there's patterns that you need to understand when you see the tape. It's part of trading. Okay, it's part of trading. It's you need to understand what you see. That's why you see all these blue lines that they don't delete themselves only if you refresh the chart. Okay, so that way you can see if the market is going higher, lower. Okay, so there's a lot of momentum, because the market can go up, but if there's no conviction, you're not gonna see the blueprints, okay, or the red prints. So that way you're gonna learn to how to understand what the market is doing. So that the thing is that we develop the time and sales based on the sometimes you don't have all the time to trade, so maybe you're gonna do something in your out of the house, and you're gonna be away for some time of the computer, and then you need to log back in, so you can find the prints where they were, where the market accelerated, and try to recap everything that you see, so that way you can do a better trader. Okay, guys, so we're gonna pause the video, guys, and see what we can do. I'm tempted to go long here. Okay, so because the market, I have seen this pattern. The market is gonna be crawling up very slowly, but still I do believe it's gonna make a pullback, and we'll go from there. The day has just started right now. It's very early, and we're gonna wait and see, guys. Okay, I'll pause the video. Okay, guys, as expected, the market did a reverse, but it says it's high volume, but still I don't believe the market is going higher. You can place a limit order here. Sell stop.
Order submitted.
Just selling two lots, not going too much of 3 lot right now. Market is very slow, guys, so it's very difficult. If you lose, it's gonna be a big loser. And if it's not moving, it's better to stay with a little market order. Okay, guys, let's see if we get filled. To not make this video too long, I sometimes pause the video. Nasdaq is reversing, going higher. The ES will follow. Okay, I'll cancel this order, guys.
Order canceled.
Cancel this order and wait if something happens. Okay, we're gonna be
Order submitted.
buying the market. Nasdaq is reversing very high. See, we have tape momentum. Nasdaq is gonna make a breakout in this area. If so, the ES will follow. As always, place a limit order, guys, on bar close, so you don't have problems, because this bar hasn't finished, so don't get into this whipping. Okay, because it will give you some time to understand what the price is doing. Okay, so if it picks it up, it's gonna pick it up. If not, it's just gonna cancel the order. It's no big deal. Okay, I'm gonna cancel the order. I don't like this price action. I'm gonna pause the video. No trades yet, guys. Still, the Nasdaq is just moving sideways. This is guys that thought the market was going higher and just taking profits. Okay, so no big deal, not yet. You can see still buyers in the tape. So this is gonna be a difficult day. We're just looking for a good trade, one good trade. Okay, so we're gonna wait and see. We're gonna pause the video again. Okay, so the ES is trying to go lower. We're gonna place a limit order.
Order submitted.
Okay, near the bar close. One tick below. Okay, so
order filled.
We got filled. We're just doing 2 lots, guys, not more. Right now the market is very difficult. Gonna try to manage this trade. Okay, we see the market pushing real time. Okay, you see the tape exploded. Okay, let's see if we can make our target. Okay, we manage the trade. Okay, once you see momentum, guys, you can manage the trade. If you see the tape moving, you can manage the trade because there's order flow. Okay, we got, you see the magenta arrows. It says very high volume. Okay, let's see another bar. Okay, let's see if the market can go a little bit lower from here. There we go. The Nasdaq is sellers in the tape. Yeah, we can still hold to this trade a little bit longer. Okay, can move a little bit to break even. Okay, let's see if it don't reverse and stop me out. They used to be doing that. Yeah, the tape just stopped. See another push. Yeah, we see another batch of sellers over here in the micro ES. 5 prints in the same second, selling. Okay, we're gonna hold a bit longer. Once the Nasdaq starts moving, this market is gonna go lower. Yes, the Nasdaq has some buyers in this area. Okay, guys, let's break this area. There's buyers in this area. Of course, because the trend is to the upside. Okay, so there's guys that measure Fibonacci and all that kind of stuff. Okay, guys, let's make another push. We'll do the handle. Watch the tape, guys. You need to watch the tape. You need to watch the micro ES and the S&P 500. Okay. Okay, maybe we can catch a little bit. Okay, let's see if these guys break this pivot here. If they're sellers in this area or buyers in this area, so we're just expecting if it breaks, it's gonna go lower. Okay, Nasdaq is trying to go lower. Let's see if it breaks this support area. Yeah, buyers have exhausted, so I'm not afraid that the market will reverse from here. They're just fighting this area here, but I don't see the buyers fighting this area. 118 contracts here, but still the sellers are pushing lower. So let's see who wins this battle. Nasdaq is trying to go higher. It's buyers in this area, but the ES is holding to the lower ticks. So this means that there's not too much buyers down here. So we're just waiting to see if it breaks out. Nasdaq is break even. It's not moving. It's buyers. You see batch of buyers here in this area. Let's see if they get absorbed. Buyers in the S&P 500. So, but they're not moving the price. The price just stopped in that area. So they're getting absorbed. See buyers, but the price is not going higher. Maybe it's just profit taking too. Okay. Come on, sellers, we need to break this area. Yes, the Nasdaq is just stopped there, so the ES will not move. So we think I'm gonna exit this trade, guys. I don't think it's gonna go lower from here. The Nasdaq is just stopped down there. Okay, the tape's starting to move again. Okay, let's see if it moves down. This trade is taking too much time. Okay, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade. I don't think it's going lower.
Target filled.
Okay, we're gonna wait and see. The Nasdaq just reversed. Okay, so there's lots of buyers in this area just supporting this trade, but at least it's not a bad trade. Okay, guys, so we're gonna wait and see if we can take that reversal from here. We're gonna
Order
make a
submitted.
buy stop here. Nasdaq is really pushing higher. It was defended in this area. I do believe these guys can go higher. So like always, we're not going at market, we're just going at limit order. Okay, let the market do itself. Limit order, guys. Limit order. That is the best way to trade. Don't trade at market. Don't trade at market. Don't get that bad habit of going at market. Just don't work that way. Just let this bar form and let the market do itself. If it's gonna go higher, it's gonna go higher. Else, it's not gonna move. Okay, I'll pause the video, guys, and see what happens. Okay, the market is trying to go higher a little bit. Let's see if we get filled. This is a good spot to go reversal, guys. Yeah, we can see the market is trending higher. This is a good support. So let's see if it works out. Yeah, volume buyers were very heavy in this area, so but still we're below the linear regression, the Nasdaq too. So as you can see, he was rejected from the linear regression in these areas. So we see tape momentum here, but still nothing. Still nothing, guys. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, Nasdaq is rejecting from the highs.
Order
Okay, we
filled.
got filled. Continuation pattern. Market just didn't want to go higher. They just reversed in the linear regression, exactly at the linear regression. We can give it a little bit of room. Linear regression is a great support and resistance indicator. It's good for trend. Okay, you need to use it for trend. There you go. There you go, guys. Tape is moving. You see the tape moving. You see what the guys are doing. You see the tape. Tape gives you everything. Okay. the mood from the market was not at this high. When the bar reversed, the buyers just dried up. They said, well, we're not gonna buy here. Just screaming at you, we're not gonna buy here. Okay, let's see, 400. Okay, let's see if this trade works out better. Yes, Nasdaq is rejected. It's making these lower lows. Okay, we see a high point here, high volume. Tape's moving. There goes the Nasdaq. Goes the Nasdaq, but the ES just stalled. Okay, but it's moving. But I can read between the lines. I don't like this. There's buyers in this big supports here. See, yes, it's a big support here. There's a lot of buyers. You know, because we are in an uptrend, so it's logical to see buyers down here. But we are day traders. We just scalpers. You know, we just need to get some points and done for the day, guys. This is the part of the training. You know, this is part of the that you need to know. But that's why I make these videos, because I train you how to do this. Okay, so it's a simple system, you know, but it's got a lot of content in these dots and arrows. Okay, so you don't need to check if the ES is going down or up or whatever. Okay, so that way you just have all the information here. You can see every dot. Every dot produces profits. Okay, even if it's counter trend, you can get a little bit, 1 or 2 ticks. Okay, how much you need every day. Okay, so if you are in a 9 to 5 job, you know, with this system you can learn and practice and invest in your future. Okay, so the system is not expensive. It's very cheap, so it's easy to learn. You don't need a lifetime license from NinjaTrader. It's something that you can buy and use it. It has no limitations. Okay, and it's very valuable. The system works. If you train your eye, you're gonna make money with this system. Okay, so there's lots of ways that you can trade it. You see, we are going down. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna stop the video here. It's 22 minutes long. Okay, so thanks for watching, and remember to make the rollover. Okay, so it's easy to do.
Target filled.